Okay, as I was saying before I got cut off, you want to show me in your work. There's not a lot of work to be shown, but I do want to see the fraction before you simplified it so I know where you got those two numbers from in the graph. And then I want you to simplify it though. So if you in your calculator do 130 divided by 262 and get that as a simplified fraction, you would get 65 divided by 131. All right, let's do another one. If you chose a person at random, what is the probability that the person preferred a diet soda? So I don't know whether they are male or female or not, but I want to go find, yes, they prefer diet soda. And I want the total number of people that prefer diet soda. So I want the people that prefer diet soda. Well, the total number of people that prefer diet soda is going to be 94. All the people that prefer diet soda is 94 out of my big total, which is 262. And then if you take that, though, and simplify that in your calculator, I'm going to have 94 divided by 262. Gives me a nasty decimal that I don't want. It will give me a fraction that I do want, which is 47 divided by 131. 47 divided by 131. Okay, that is good stuff right there. I want to see both of these fractions though. If you chose a person from the survey at random, what is the probability that the person was a female who preferred diet soda? So now I know that I'm getting a little bit more specific with it. I want a female that preferred diet soda. So I'm going to find all the females that prefer diet soda. And you can use your eyes. You can highlight this if you want. But where the females, where those two columns and rows interact with each other and meet is going to be 58. There are 58 females that prefer diet soda. Out of my grand total, I still have my grand total, which is 262. And then if you take that and simplify it in your calculator, you will get 29 over 131. Okay. Now this is where things, get a little bit new. So if you're like, okay, I'm done with this video, please make sure that you're paying attention to this part. This is where things get new. So let's read. If you chose a person at random from the survey, what is the probability that the person is a female given that the person preferred diet soda? This given is a big deal. Remember though, because your definition of probability that's conditional means that another event already happened, given that the other event already happened. So, excuse me, let me get to there. You're given the event that came first is going to be whatever comes after the word given. That event came first. So the condition is that the person has to prefer diet soda. Then I want to pick how many people are female. So what has to be true is they have to prefer diet soda. Out of all the people that prefer diet soda, how many of them are females? So the condition that they prefer diet soda has to be met. So I'm going to go find all the people that prefer diet soda and I'm going to highlight it because my answer, both the numerator and the denominator in my fraction, can only come from that highlighted line. So remember, my want over my total, I want out of all, so both of my want and my total needs to be coming from one of these highlighted numbers. The condition is that they have to prefer diet soda. So even my total number of people have to prefer diet soda. So my total is going to be all the people that prefer diet soda. And of those 94 people, how many of them were female? That's what the question says. Of those, 58 of those people were female. So make sure you understand when I have a given, when I have a condition that needs to be met, my total is going to be different. I am no longer using the 262. So I have 58 divided by 94, which will give me 29 over 47. Please watch just one more short video for the last problem.